Hello, I am Anand Sharma. Today I am going to speak on an extremely short topic. Why is it that when India is ravaged by coronavirus, when most of the states have imposed lockdowns, the stock market has breached 50,000 mark yesterday. It went out by a whopping 600 plus points yesterday. It's very simple. There was a time when stock markets were more or less indicative of the state of the economy. But that has started changing over the last several years. One reason is the globalization of the economies led to globalization of the financial marketplaces. And the second is the fact that more and more people have come in to invest into the stock markets. Stock market investment is no more the prerogative of the rich and the upper middle class. Today, a lot of people put their money into the stock markets looking for a good return, a quick return. These two factors have changed the market from reflecting the actual state of the economy to the perceptions regarding the day-to-day happenings which affect the stock markets to a large extent. This is true of Indian stock market as much as US stock markets and many of the other stock markets of the world, which have more or less started reflecting each other anyway. So the reasons why the stock market has breached 50,000 is as follows. One, number of cases have started dropping. The number of deaths have not, but the number of cases have started dropping from a peak of 4.3 lakhs, 4.4 lakhs. We have now come down to 2.6, 2.7 lakhs, which is seen as a good indicator. Number two, the situation in some other states, like in the case of Maharashtra and Delhi, which are very important investor states for that matter, states from which investors come from, the incidence of the disease is coming down and hospitals are available and the situation with regard to oxygen and to an extent vaccine, even though vaccines are still short, there is an indicator that it could improve from June onwards, and that provides a positive impetus to the market. Number three, the results of companies which have been released of late more or less shows a pretty strong performance, stronger than expected performance, and that is another reason why the market is going up. Will the market remain strong is another question altogether. It all depends on what happens in the future. As I said, stock markets are affected by sentiments, and sentiments can actually make the market go down very drastically as well. On February middle, the market had the highest ever, I'm talking about Sensex here, the highest ever points of 52,000 plus, and then it started dropping as the incidence of cases started going up. But this time's lockdown has a slight difference from the normal lockdowns. Last year's lockdown led to a complete confusion as to what is going to happen, and even the movement of goods from state to state had stopped. This time, goods are getting transported, goods are getting manufactured and getting transported across India. Even though there is restrictions by several states on the movement of people, etc., the good transport has not been affected. So it is not as bad as it was last year. And second, the good news which is coming in, which possibly could lead to a lower incidence of cases in the coming days. So that's it. I'll come back to you as soon as there is another newsworthy topic. Thank you very much.